Hello everyone, so this is part 2 of canning my carrots, and I was just reading some comments on my last canning videos, and I do apologise if I left it too long to reply. Like in my first video that is uploading now, I pretty much, because of COVID, I pretty much stopped doing anything to do with surviving or to do with making life better for me when things get really bad in the world. So for the last, I'll say, about 10 years, I've been preparing for a global pandemic, and that kind of did happen. So it felt like I had to stop. Not felt like I had to, but I just naturally stopped, because, you know, what I thought would happen happened. So with this war with Russia that's going on at the moment, I thought it would be great if I started preparing again. So I haven't got rid of any of my stuff from before. I've still got it all, but I just pretty much stopped using it. So now I'm starting to get back into it, and I read one of the comments that someone has got one kind of like mine, or the newer version of this particular canner, because I think this one was one of the original canners that came out on the market at that time. I think there's about half a dozen different ones now. So I think this one's original. So we have got on the timer, let's see whether I can adjust myself. So we've got about 3 minutes left on the timer. So for the lady that's got one similar to mine, we've got like different settings, and the one that's lit up there, that's flashing, which is this one, is a canning setting. So if you plan on canning, you just press that button, the one that's flashing, and then this one has got like a timer. So you got, if I remember right, this one you got 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 45 minutes. So if I was cooking something like meat, I would put it on for 45 minutes. If I was cooking, this one's a trial by the way, so I'll let you know. If I was cooking something like veg, then I would put on to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Well, this one I put it on for 30 minutes as like a trial to see what the carrots look like when they come out. If the carrots are like destroyed, then I know I've put it on for too long, and to put it on to 15 minutes. So, and again, like, let's get back down there. So put on the canning, and I think this one here, so if you were cooking meat, for example, and you feel that 45 minutes is not long enough, you press that one, which is the canning, you press this one, and then you can add minutes. So if you wanted to, you can add 50 minutes. 60 minutes, or you can add minutes onto it if you wanted to. So this one, I put it on for 30 minutes, but if I want to do 35 or 40, just press that extra minute and it will take you up to 40, or whatever choice you make. So I think, if I remember right, the comment said about at the sea level, like, so where I live, I'm 130. Now don't quote me on this, I could be completely wrong. I'm still half asleep, but where I live, I'm 130 meters above sea level. And at the moment, I've had no problems with the cannon, so I've had no jars, I should say, that have popped because I haven't done it right, if that makes any sense. Now, as I'm making this video, it did beep, so once it beeps, it's finished. So it's just literally just beeped. You probably heard it on the on here. So now I don't touch it, I don't turn it off, I don't do anything with it. As you can see, there is steam coming out there, so inside of here is still bubbling away and whatnot. So with this bit, it's actually on seal. If I wanted to, I can turn it to vent, which will let most of the steam out. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it on seal and let this cool down naturally. I wonder if I can show you on camera. Now, that little thing there is the actual, like, valvey bit that stops it from opening. So it will not actually let me, do I drop my phone? It will not actually let me open it. It will not actually let me open it until that valve there drops. And you actually hear it drop. You hear like a clonk. Then you can open the lid and take it off. But it will not allow you to do that until the pressure in here is normal air pressure, if that makes any sense. So, as you can tell, I haven't got any of this written down. Haven't got any of this written down. So I'm just going to kind of like a